What happens when you confront a DoorDash driver who stole your Taco Bell order? Spoiler alert, somebody pulls a gun. In this video, we're breaking down camera footage of this incident with top criminal defense attorney Tom Grieve. But before we get into it, we have a gun giveaway going on right now. You can enter for free, but it ends really soon. Just click the link in the description down below to reveal which brand new gun you could win. All right, Tom. So Taco Bell, not worth your life, but a lot going on here. The backstory of this is that somebody ordered food and then claimed it didn't get dropped off or it got stolen or whatever. So this person apparently followed the DoorDash driver back to his house, and dangerous things ensued. So the person who is filming this is the person who really wants his Taco Bell order. So let's take a look and then we'll discuss this. Here we go.
No, listen, bro. He had an accident. I'm eating McDonald's right now. I can show you the McDonald's I'm eating.
So where's the food at?
I don't know. He had an accident. And he talked to
So
us
you're telling me
about
you
it.
ain't got the food here?
No.
So the food just disappeared in the accident?
I guess he took it back. I don't know. I don't know. I don't DoorDash. I don't know any of this stuff. Like, seriously. So go to the place. Stop.
What's up?
Just leave.
Okay. So again, I will say Taco Bell not worth your life, but a lot going on in this video. Does the guy who followed the DoorDash driver home now have the right to pull out a gun when somebody charges at him? I mean, who's the instigator in this incident?
Well, the prosecutor, okay, so if the prosecutor charges intentionally pointing a firearm, some sort of recklessly endangering safety, disorderly conduct while armed, that's probably kind of the slew of charges that were, if this was charged, what we would be looking at. Mm-hmm. And the defense attorney invariably will be raising self-defense. The prosecutor may try to claim something to the effect of, and again, I don't know what state this is in. Some states have laws to the effect of, if you're breaking a crime, you may not be able to claim self-defense. Other times, you cannot raise self-defense against certain charges. Mm-hmm. So there's some loopholes, so check your local listings as far as what your state may have. But they may also claim provocation, mm-hmm. namely that, look, you came up to this person's house. This was a property issue. This was an issue that was probably worth, I'm going to guess, under $20.
Yeah,
you know?
If you spend more than $20 on a Taco Bell order, you'll be in the bathroom for a while.
Yeah, you're going to feel that.
Yeah.
That's for sure. So, it's... point being is this is a small issue. Mm-hmm. So if you're going to follow someone to their home to confront them, and I'm not saying this is right or wrong, to be clear. I'm just saying here's what the prosecutor is going to look at this, right? Because I'm not trying to defend theft. If that's indeed what happened here, I'm not trying to say, oh yeah, theft, who cares? File a one-star review and move on, right? I mean, that's obviously not right. But it's just as obviously not smart, at a minimum, not smart to be following someone and confronting them about it, because there's that old expression, right? Play stupid games, win stupid prizes.
Right.
If you're confronting somebody who's is legitimately stealing and they're doing this to scam a system, you don't know who that person is. You don't know what they're on probation or just got out of prison for, or whatever the case may be. Maybe this gentleman has zero track record with the justice system at all whatsoever. Don't know. Doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, you don't know who that person is. You don't know what they might be capable of. You're outnumbered 2-1 in a strange neighborhood that maybe you don't know anyone. I don't know what the police response is. And
I don't even know what the physical area, how tight it is, and how close he's. Can this guy back up and get away?
This is just play stupid game. Right? They seem to be on some sort of deck, so I'm assuming that he had probably had to step up some steps to get there. It could be a trailer. I don't know. But right, if it's on a raised deck platform, you're kind of trapped on that platform. Yeah. So this whole thing was, look, I'm sorry that someone stole your food. That's not right. They should be prosecuted. Realistically, they probably won't be. But at the same time, you are making the situation substantively worse for yourself by doing this.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, I'm not worried about, if this is me who had my food stolen, I'm not worried about bringing that person to justice or whatever the case may be. I'm worried about myself, right? And the situation can get far worse by doing this. The easier thing to do is reorder. If I'm already out in my car driving somewhere, I'm going to hit that McDonald's, Taco Bell, Wendy's, whatever it might be, all over again.
And absolutely right. You're looking at a relatively inexpensive DoorDash order. And like you said, leave him a 1-star review. Just keep telling people, yeah, this guy steals food. He's not going to be a DoorDash driver for long. Great, you don't get your $15 back, but you certainly don't end up facing a judge or in handcuffs because you pulled a gun on somebody over a $15 or $20, even if it's a whole family meal, a $30 Taco Bell meal. Just not worth it. I'm a big fan of avoiding the fight.
Yeah, I mean, he put himself in the Shark Tank, as we like to talk about, right? He jumped into the Shark Tank for Taco Bell, for some sort of presumably small fast food order, and it's just completely not worth it. And I'm not saying this outcome was predestined in the sense of, well, I'm going to go there and he's going to charge me, I have to pull my gun. But this certainly had to have been among the foreseeable options of what could happen, which is exactly why you don't do this. And again, I'm not sticking up for the criminal who, if this guy did steal it, I mean, we don't know the background, right? Maybe he did, maybe he didn't. But worst case scenario, he did. I'm not trying to stick up for that guy. He should absolutely get his just desserts, right? He should absolutely get whatever karma, whatever it is he's got coming to him. But you're not making it better by doing it yourself. That's for sure.
Yeah, not a reason for a gunfight. So thank you again, Tom. Always great to have your insights. Folks, thank you for watching all the way to the end of this video. And a quick reminder again, we have that gun giveaway going on and it ends really soon. So click in the link below to reveal which brand new gun you could win. I'm Kevin Michalowski, Director of Content for the U.S. Concealed Carry Association. If you enjoy videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell. We'll notify you every time something new comes out. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.